Okay, hello everyone. I've been searching for the perfect octave down pedal for like half a year now since I went into the world of Loopy Pro, and I think I finally got the result I want. It's based on MIDI to guitar as an auv3, and also based on the Drambo. And both of them delivers very fast latency, and I'm going to walk you through the process here and how my chains are built up for this. So to start with, you download the MIDI to guitar, and then you add MIDI down to the right, and just type in MIDI guitar here, and it will show up on the left side of your mixer. As you can see here, I have a muted MIDI over here. So if I click that one at the top left, the MIDI guitar interface comes up. I have to add it there if you don't show it, if it doesn't show, I mean. It's important here to make sure that the noise gate setting here is correct for your guitar or your kind of playing style. And here is a lot of different options here if you want to select velocity and stuff like that. So I haven't been digging into it so much actually. Then you select Drambo on destinations. So I have, as you can see on the left side, the destinations for the MIDI is Drambo. Fine. And when I did that, I was disappointed at first because nothing worked. I had to set up a bus. So no bus send, but the destination is a Drambo that I have going on over here at bus C. And as you can see, I also have the MIDI guitar, the same MIDI guitar session going on bus C. And then I have, after that, I have some EQing going on just to make the bass guitar makes a little bit. You can tweak it so you can have your own kind of setting. And then, oh sorry, I don't have it. Now it's engaged. Then I have Drambo, and that's not a rabbit hole. Drambo is kind of deep and hard to understand, but just to guide you through here, you have to choose like new. Then you choose 8 tracks rack instrument, and then you press the instrument in the beginning here, and then you type presets, factory presets, instruments, and then I use the Fat Mono Glider, and I made a copy of it with different. You can choose on the right side. You have attack, decay, sustain, and release, and then that is you find yours. You will find your settings. I'm sure. So that's about it in Drambo. Then I also added a compressor after that because some of the light tones seems to not be at the same level as the low end tones. So this helps to get a even out it better. Another thing to make it seem like you're playing with less latency, it's to simply blend in your guitar sound. And when I do that, I'm just going to mute the octave now. And when I blend it in, I have first here on the input A, you can see I have a no, sorry, pressed the wrong button. I have a low pass filter going on, of course, and I also have a nice effect called RRS, bass enhancer, and that also helps to fatten up the dry sound from the guitar. So if you listen only to the dry sound now, that is without the octave effect going on from the MIDI guitar, and with that two combined together, it sounds like this. So and it's almost instant latency feeling with this setting. I can if I turn off the the dry sound from the guitar, you can hear the MIDI guitar seems like not that authentic, but almost. But when I do it, I can notice a kind of latency. So with the dry sound from the guitar, I definitely recommend to blend that in to get a less latency feeling into this. I also have a widget button, is the yellow one here, that's called octave down, and that triggers to turn off all my shimmer and reverb and make the guitar totally dry. So I have kind of a lot of stuff going on here, as you can see. Yeah, I don't mess with that anymore. But I'm sure that this turns off everything, and that I can trigger with my Nectar Pacer, my MIDI board also. So yeah, I guess that's about it. I think here on the bus, yeah, you have to send the bus to the colors and all the stuff. I know you know that already, but yeah, good luck with your bass sound and happy looping. Bye.